Welcome back, everyone. We're going to do some more of the Disney Adorables. This is going to be the Academy Edition. This has a total of 45 to collect. I think you get 16 figurines in here. You get 1 locker and 4 accessories. So 21 pieces in total. The Ultimate Prep Rally. So these are all the stuff you can collect out of here. These are the exclusives. And then you have, of course, your club, faculty, student body, athletic, and prep rally. They do range from common, rare, and ultra rare, and exclusive. This is actually $30 at Walmart. So it's quite expensive, but I mean, if you want to collect these, you can definitely go this route to collect it. These have the exclusive ones in it. I believe it's these. So these are exclusive to this product. You can't get them through the normal means, because the normal means would be all these, and of course you definitely want the exclusives. So let's go ahead and open this up and check it out, see what's all in it, see who all we got. Maybe we'll get her a Stitch. Yeah, let's see who we get out of here. Let's get that out of the way. Alright, and I believe this pops out maybe to reveal our doors, our lockers, or whatever we got in here. Let's go ahead and do it this way.
Oh, Dad.
Yeah, you want to see? And then this comes open. Of course, there's some down here as well, if I can get it open. We're just tearing up the box at the moment. There we go. All right. Yeah, what we got here? Uh-oh. All right. So we have our doors open on our product. So we got our little figurines here. Let's go ahead and get these out of here. These are the exclusive ones to this product. We're popping them out and they're going everywhere. They're in here quite tight. Oh, I might be able to get it. There we go. There's 1, 2, 6. We got a book. Of course, we got to get our bleachers out. There we go. And our lock, maybe. It don't want to come out. Let's get our locker out of here. The locker probably has some stuff in it. Let's use this to get the lock out of here. This goes on our locker. I believe it just pops in.
Yeah.
There we go. We got some stuff in our lockers. We got some banners. That's cool. Yeah, hold on. We got to put our sign up that says Doorables. Let's see. What do we want to put on here? We want to put this one. We're going to put this on the sign, okay? Daddy's going to put it on there. Oh. Hold on. You all right? You got it?
Got it.
Hold on. Daddy's putting it on your sign. There we go. Doorables. Sit down. Sit there. Yeah. And then our Doorables bleachers. All right. Here we go.
Yeah.
Let's move this stuff off to the side real quick. Let's put this down here. And these are who we got. We got. Let me adjust the focus real quick. Here, let me adjust the focus real quick. Hold on. I'm adjusting it. Yeah, we're gonna get it. There we go. Alright, so we have our puppy with the #1 fan on top. We got Pluto. We got Clarabelle. That's cute. Then we have Minnie Mouse with her sparkly eyes and her cheerleading outfit and her pom-poms. Then we have, I'm guessing this is Donald Duck as a kid with his pom-poms maybe. And then we have Daffy Duck, or Daisy Duck, excuse me. Then we have Mickey with his #1 glove on, cheering everybody on. Then we have our megaphone that has a D on it for Adorables. Let's put that out of the way. And then we have our Adorables flag that we put together. Then we have our Adorables bleachers that we set them on. And of course we got our locker to put stuff in if we want to. We got a heart here just floating around in there. I'm guessing we can use it to decorate our locker. Let's go ahead and put a heart on it. There we go. We got a heart on our locker. And then this gets stickers with it as well. So that's pretty cool. There's another heart sticker here somewhere because it's off of here. And then this is our locker thing that says Doorables. D for Doorables. Alright. Let's go ahead and look at what all we can get. The student body. That would be pretty cool. Alright, and we got Petey there. Goofy. We definitely want Stitch or Tigger. Yeah, we're going to open it up in a second. We got Piglet. Oh, we even got the genie from Aladdin. Then the other faculty members. We got Baymax. That would be pretty cool. We got Judy Hopps. We got Angel. Stitch's girlfriend. And then, of course, we got our exclusives, what we just got from that. Let's go ahead and open these up and see what we can get. We have 5 on each side, it looks like. Alright, which one? Top one? You want this one? Alright, let's open this one up. Alright. Uh-oh. We're going to see what we can get out of here. Alright. Disney Doorables Academy. Let's see who we get. You ready? Look. Oh, look who we got. We got Judy Hopps. Yeah, you want to see that? Judy Hopps. Judy Hopps making her presentation. We were just talking about getting her. That's cool. We actually ended up getting her. All right, we're gonna do the other top one. Here's that. All right. See who we get. You ready? I forget his name. He's the old duck guy. That's pretty cool. He's got his little glasses on. You can see the little mark. Let's open up the middle one. See what we get out of here. Actually, let's open up all 3 of these. That way we can just keep opening. If I don't tear it off. Tearing up the box. Alright. Alright, so it looks like this one's number 60. Let's see who we get. And we got... I don't remember who this is. This is... Let's see... Kristoff from Frozen. This is a baby version of Kristoff from Frozen. Alright. Kind of wonder if there's an Elsa. I don't think there is, though. Let's see who it is. Oh, we have a mouse. Who is this? This is... I don't see her. Susie. Susie. Lydia. Hold on. Don't chew on that, baby. Here. Let's open this. You ready? Lydia, look. See who it is? Oh, it's Goofy. We got Goofy
What's that?
with his buck teeth and his basketball. That's cool. Alright, let's open these. Let's just go ahead and open these up like this. Just take it all the way out and pull them out. See who we can get. Alright, let's move that out of the way. Actually, we can put this right here, like that. Make it easier as a reference point to see who we got. Alright, ready? Who is it? We got a duck.
No.
No, we didn't get a duck. With his little baseball cap.
Oh,
Here we go. His little baseball cap, his little outfit. That's pretty cool. Let's put that to the side. And we got... What is his name? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? We got... Foxy. With his little hat. He is an ultra rare. Yeah. You can't have his ball, baby. It don't come off. You want Goofy's ball? And we got... Oh, we got Tigger. We got Tigger with his little ball and racket. He's going to play some tennis. Yeah, look. Tigger's got a ball too. Let's see who else we get. We got a chipmunk. Yes, we got a chipmunk. This is Dale. Dale's a common. Chip is a ultra rare. And this is a big one. This is a big one. Let's see who this is. Is it? Oh, we got Miss Piggy. This one's from the prep rally, Miss Piggy. With her stick. Alright, so that's all of those. Let's go ahead and see if we can put them up here. Let's put them up here and get them ready for their prep rally. Maybe. Hold on. We're gonna get them ready for their prep rally. You got all of them? Alright. Put them on the cheerleader bench. Maybe. If they want to stand. Is that all of them, baby? Alright. We got Judy Hobbs. We got Goofy. We got Mickey Mouse. We got Tigger. We got Kristoff as a baby. We got Dell. Then this one is Nui, I believe. Hold on, we're almost done. We got all of these cool little characters. Let's see if we can put them on there. Then we got, of course, the dog. Pluto. Can't forget Pluto. This is our lineup. There we go. That's all of them. That is our lineup for today. Of course, these are the exclusive ones in the front that you get when you, of course, get the $30 bundle for this. And Disney Doorables Academy Edition. Hope you guys enjoyed the opening, and we'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.